Cracked porcelain causing leaks in your toilet? You gotta fix that fast before it turns into a nightmare with water damage and sky-high bills. Alright, so first up, turn off the water supply to your toilet. There's usually a valve right behind it on the wall. Next, flush the toilet to empty the tank and bowl. Grab a sponge or towel to soak up any leftover water because you don't want it dripping everywhere when you take the toilet off. Now, loosen the bolts at the base of the toilet with a wrench. Sometimes these get stuck, so a little penetrating oil helps. Carefully lift the whole toilet straight up. Yeah, it's heavy, so ask someone for help if you can. Inspect the cracked porcelain and decide if a full replacement is needed or if a professional repair might work. If you're going all in, place a new wax ring on the flange to create a watertight seal before setting the new toilet back down. Finally, retighten the bolts, reconnect the water supply, and test for leaks by flushing a few times. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked porcelain toilets is ignoring the problem, hoping it'll just stop leaking on its own. That only leads to bigger damage and costly repairs. Another common issue is not properly sealing the toilet base with a new wax ring, which causes persistent leaks and smells. Always replace the wax ring when installing a new toilet. Lastly, over-tightening the bolts can crack the porcelain even more or mess up the seal, so tighten them snug but don't go Hulk on it. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of guessing who's legit. And if you're a contractor looking to score more gigs, it's a solid place to connect with people who really need your skills.